Question 5C required that candidates analyze 5 objectives of reward management. Analyze 5 objectives. 5 objectives of reward management. Reward management. The question attracted 5 marks. 5 marks. The concept of, as we look at the question, the concept of reward management basically puts in place the measures that an organization uses to compensate workers for purposes of what they put into the organization. In terms of their skills, in terms of their knowledge, a reward is attached to this, and these rewards could be intrinsic rewards or extrinsic rewards. So this question requires that the candidates analyzes 5 objectives of a reward management in an organization. So examples of these objectives could be: 1, attraction of high caliber employees. So an organization may put in place a reward management that attracts high caliber workers because these workers are being competed for by different organizations. So through the reward management, an organization is able to reward employees and have them come to the organization so that they can be able to serve that organization. Secondly, reward management is normally meant to create an element of equity in compensation, so that workers in an organization feel that they are able to have equal pay for equal work. So as the aspect of equity is also one of the objectives of a reward management strategy within a given organization. Thirdly, an organization may craft a reward management strategy that enhances competitiveness in employees. What this implies is that an organization may, for instance, come up with a reward management strategy that has the aspect of performance linked pay. What this implies is that the more the output, the more the input an employee provides, the greater the reward that the employee receives. So this competitiveness is created through the reward management so that workers can compete, can be able to work, can be able to invest, and as they provide their input, as they put into the organization, they are also rewarded in equal measure for their expensed labor and skills that they have done for the organization. The fourth objective of reward management is compensation in case of losses. For instance, an employee could be injured while the employee is working. Now, this employee could be entitled to what is indicated as work injury benefit. Employee could be entitled to work injury benefit. So what a reward management does is that employees who are working could also be compensated in cases of injury or suffering within the working environment. So in the context of reward management, this has also to be factored in, and this may sometimes involve aspects of ensuring that workers are insured in cases of risk, so that in cases of compensation, an organization can be able to comply with this requirement. Then the fifth objective of reward management is statutory compliance. What happens in this situation is that an organization has to operate within the law. And there are some deductions which need to be done. For instance, for NSSF, National Social Security Fund, for purposes of Kenya, aspects like NHIF deductions. There are aspects where you need to deduct income tax, like in the situation for Kenya. The organization, through the reward management process, is supposed to deduct income tax from employees and remit the amounts due to Kenya Revenue Authority, remit amounts due to National Social Security Fund and National Hospital Insurance Fund.